Welcome to Super Dave's RC. Well, we're back to tinkering on the bench, and figured we'd start it off with a bang. So I grabbed the 4-banger. Last we had her out, we had our initial test run done, and found ourselves a critical design flaw. The way these little 2-strokes work when they're cold, if you've ever run nitro, you know when it's cold it spits raw fuel out the pipe, right? Until it gets warmed up. Well, the way I had to configure these pipes at an upward angle, eventually it will start to drown itself out. So what I'm going to have to do is put in some kind of drainage spigots in the header or somewhere in the pipe to allow that fuel to escape so it doesn't choke us off. In case you're not familiar with the 4-banger, this is a custom chassis, obviously, because nothing else is going to be made with 4. You can see it's basically kind of sandwiched a couple together here. And then we're running twin center diffs, one for each of the pairs. And then, of course, we've got our standard 4-wheel drive type system. So that's how all of that magic works. And this is kind of tricky too, because of the way these motors mount, it's not really meant to slide. It's meant to just bolt right in unless you cut slots in there. Then again, for the extra weight, we're running dual springs in the rear here, and then just singles in the front, because it does carry a little ass heavy. We've got the rears with independent fuel systems, and then the front has one common shared tank, and then I use these fuel cutoffs to regulate one or the other. Because if this engine is running and pressurizing the tank, it'll fill this one up with fuel if this one happens to die. So we basically kind of have to do a little dance here. And yeah, as a matter of fact, yeah, this is the one that's holding our pressure. So this is the one that needs to be started first. But at the same time, you need to have this clamped off till you're ready to actually start this one up. Because that'll be enough pressure with this one running to bleed through, and again, eventually fill this one up with fuel. So, next thing we'll do is we'll figure out how to do some kind of a drain here at a low point. And I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that. But we will figure something out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.